Hello friends, so in this video I will tell you how to convert MKV or FLV recordings in mp4 in OBS. So let's start. So as you can see, this is a MKV recording which I have recorded using OBS. So I will convert this into mp4. So let's start. So first of all you have to click on File, then go to Remux Recordings, then you have to click on the three dots and navigate to your file, or you could just drag and drop your file in OBS. You could also change your target file. By default it is saved where your original recording is saved. So now let me click on Remux. So now our recording has been remuxed. So this is the mp4 recording. If you don't want to remix your recordings again and again, so I have a solution for that also. So for that you have to go to File again, then go to Settings, then you have to click on Advanced, and then take the option which says Automatically Remix to mp4. Now all the recordings you record will automatically be remixed to mp4. So this is it for today. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for getting updates on my latest videos.